Now let's start making the soap. First you have to add slurry to 6.3 liters of water. So we'll slowly add the slurry. This is the acid slurry. So we are adding it to 6.3 liters of water. Now we have to mix it well with a plastic spoon. Never use any aluminium or metal and wood. Try to use plastics for making soap. We'll mix this thoroughly. You have to wear protective gear while making soap because the acids can burn the skin. Now we have to add 50 grams of caustic soda into this mixture. This is caustic soda. This comes in forms of flakes. Now we'll add this into the slurry and water mixture. You have to add it very slowly. Make sure that it does not splash onto your hand or into the eyes. Mix this well till the flakes are dissolved. The reaction will heat the water a little bit. When all the flakes dissolve, we have to keep this for 10-15 minutes. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes, and still there are flakes. We have to mix it well. Now I'll let it rest for 10-15 minutes and I'll get back. Now it's more than 15 minutes. Now we'll start adding the thickening powder, that is called the DPM powder. We have to add this very little at a time and stir it. So we'll keep on adding and keep on stirring it. This will gradually thicken the soap liquid. It will be little foamy also because the soap is already being made. Again I am adding a spoonful. You have to add it very slowly. You cannot add all the powder at a time. One mixing. You can see it started foaming already. Again I am adding powder. This is total 150 grams of powder. We have to add the total amount. Slurry was 450 grams. Caustic soda was 50 grams. And this powder is 150 grams. Later we will be adding color and fragrance as per choice, 5 grams each. started bubbling and foaming. Now I require some other container to keep the spoon. This is foamed up too much. The bucket is almost full. Liquid has started foaming, and also it is thickening a bit. Adding more spoon. If you add the entire amount of powder, it will start spilling off. It will create foam and it will spill all the workplace. You have to do it gradually. I'm adding still more thickening agent. Keep on adding the powder. It will foam a little bit when you add the powder. While stirring, you can feel the thickness of the liquid. It has got the consistency of a liquid soap. Now I will add the remaining powder to the soap mixture. We have added total of 150 grams of this powder. Now we will add the fragrance. This is 10 ml fragrance. We have to use 5 ml. So I will put half of it into the bucket. You can use any fragrance of your choice. You can see it has become liquid soap consistency. smelling wonderful. I will add the color. You can add any color of your choice. This is 5 ml color. I'll use the entire quantity. I'm using yellow color. Now liquid soap is now ready for use. It's very simple and straightforward procedure. Anyone can do it. All the material is readily available in the market. Now we can refill this. This is total 6.5 liters of liquid soap. Now you can fill this in plastic bottles and store it for the use. This can be used for utensils, car washing. It can be used for clothes, wiping the floors. It's an all-purpose liquid soap. Now we have filled the dispenser bottles and now we will label it. The labeling is just for demo purpose. I will test the liquid soap. This can be used as a hand wash to wash clothes. It's good lather. You can wash utensils also with it. Floor mopping can also be done with the same soap. It's all purpose liquid soap.